Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is fluid. Fluid is a substance that flows under the action of an applied force and does not have a shape of its own. Fluid is a substance that flows under the action of an applied force and does not have a shape of its own. For example, liquids and gases. They take the shape of container in which they are stored. They take the shape of container in which they are stored. The liquids and gases both are called fluids because both are flowing from higher pressure to lower pressure. Liquids are flowing from higher gravitational level to lower gravitational level, and same as the gases are flowing from higher pressure to lower pressure. Now come to the pressure in a liquid. Pressure in a liquid. In case of solid, force can be applied in any direction with respect to the surface. But in liquids, force must be applied at right angle to the liquid surface. So the pressure
is defined
as the magnitude of the normal force acting on a unit surface area. लिक्विड्स में या हम बोलें कि फ्लूइड में हम प्रेशर को डिफाइन करते हैं कि परपेंडिकुलर फोर्स पर यूनिट एरिया कितना लग रहा है, और वी कैन से परपेंडिकुलर फोर्स पर यूनिट एरिया is called fluid pressure. Here the formula of pressure P is equal to force upon area, F by A. We know that force is a vector quantity, but the pressure is scalar quantity because the pressure is transmitted equally in all the direction. The fluid pressure is transmitted equally in all the direction when the force is applied, which shows that the definite direction is not associated with the pressure. We know that force is a vector quantity, but pressure is scalar because it is transmitted in all the direction equally. For example, let this is a tub and liquid is filled in this tub, then direction of pressure perpendicular to the surface of the pot, it means pressure remains in all the direction. So there is no any defined direction of the pressure, so it is a scalar quantity. Now come to the thrust. The force applied on any surface, in a direction perpendicular to the surface is called thrust. For example, when a body is placed on the horizontal surface, it exerts a thrust equal to its weight on the surface. Weight W is equal to mass into acceleration, and normal reaction is this. The body resting on horizontal surface will exert the same thrust irrespective of its orientation. When an object is placed in a liquid, the force exerted by the liquid on any point of the object is perpendicular to the surface of the object. The force exerted by the liquid on the wall of the container is also perpendicular to the walls. जैसे कि हमने ऊपर अभी एग्जाम्पल लिया कि हम एक उसमें ट्रक में पानी यदि भरते हैं तो उसके सारे डायरेक्शन में फोर्स लगता है. यदि हम वहाँ पर निकालें कि फोर्स perpendicular force per unit area, that is called thrust. It means thrust is equivalent to the force. It shows that perpendicular force is called. So unit of thrust is also Newton. Unit of thrust is equal to the unit of force, that is Newton.